The Science Tech Institute, Lucknow, is going to organize 1 week online basic course on biomedical research. This course will provide a platform to the researchers and the academicians to enrich their methodological and analytical skills. Currently, the teaching faculty is missing their lively and interactive training due to the COVID-19 pandemic. To address the present situation, we are conducting this 1 week online basic course on biomedical research for faculty members, research scholars of all disciplines in the country and abroad from August 25 till 31st, 2020.